Should pop-up matcha drink stands offer almond milk? Yes, they should offer almond milk as one non-dairy choice, while also keeping another option available for customers with nut allergies. Almond milk can make matcha drinks creamier and gives customers a dairy-free choice without changing the tea's flavor too much. Matcha is finely ground green tea, so it mixes best when first shaken with a small amount of warm water before the milk is added. Almond milk is usually thinner than dairy milk, which means the drink may taste less rich, unless the recipe uses a little more matcha or a stronger sweetener. A stand should test the recipe before opening and measure every serving the same way, so one customer does not receive a weak drink and another receives a bitter one. It is also important to ask whether the customer has a nut allergy, because almond milk is not safe for them. A useful detail is that some almond milks contain added sugar, so the stand should check the label and adjust the syrup instead of making every drink too sweet. The milk should be kept cold, stored properly, and handled with clean equipment to protect its quality. Offering almond milk can attract customers who avoid dairy, but the stand should also consider oat milk or another nut-free choice so more people can order safely. One common mistake is calling almond milk safe for every dairy-free customer, even though people with nut allergies must avoid it, so clearly name each milk option. Another mistake is pouring almond milk directly onto dry matcha, which can leave clumps, so whisk or shake the matcha with water first. Some stands also use the same scoop or pitcher for every milk, which can cause cross-contact, so clean tools between orders and follow local food safety rules. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.